So I'm going to share with you why I do not teach Reiki online. You're going to find a lot of Reiki classes online. A lot of times they condense Reiki 1, 2, 3, and masters all in the same weekend, and then you're a Reiki master. I'm not going to do that. And so here are some reasons why. So first of all, yes, you can go online and you can learn anything, okay? You can read up in a book about Reiki. You can take a online class and learn about Reiki, sure. But you're missing the hands-on piece, and that's like a crucial piece. Now, yes, you can send energy anywhere and you can, do remote healing. Like that is a thing, of course. But if you're learning it for the first time, you're really missing out on what it feels like in person, okay? You're kind of skipping a step. So when I teach my classes, I always teach them live, and this is because it's not just a Reiki training, okay? I mean, it is, but it's not. Like, I host these day retreats, basically, where a group of individuals come, and they're not just coming to learn a new modality, they're coming to learn how to transform into this new version of themselves. They need to be in a sacred, safe space so they can fully show up for themselves by having other people in the same boat, okay? Everyone's kind of supporting each other in this way. And then they, of course, meet new friends. So it's this personal experience where you're not just learning something, you're creating new skills with the help of everyone else around you, okay? So notice if you do a yoga class, how you're so much more fully present in that practice than, say, if you were doing it alone, okay? At least this is my experience. A lot of times we need the help of other people around to really fully experience the experience, okay? And the same goes for any class. When you're in a group setting, you learn more, you experience more. There's a lot more energy in the room. So, sure, you can go ahead and learn the material on your own, but you're missing a very important part, and that's the connection, okay? And so also, I really feel it's important to have your ceremonial attunement in person. Now, a lot of these attunements online are pre-recorded. And are you getting an attunement when it's pre-recorded? Sure, yeah, I guess technically you are, but it's kind of, it's not personalized. Like, I really enjoy create a sacred space for each individual person to have their ceremonial attunement. It's a personal experience. It's initiation, okay? So yeah, I never want to do it online. I feel like it depersonalizes the whole experience of energy work in general. And, when you're not in person, you're missing the heat, you're missing the energy, you don't see the tingling or feel the tingling as much or get as many messages, or there's just so much that you miss when it's not in person. And to be completely honest with you, many of my students have taken the online courses and then sought me out because they knew they were missing an important component of the learning. So yeah, my classes all day, you get to meet people, you get to join in this retreat where you really fully get to experience Reiki with your fellow friends. You get to be then a part of a community afterwards as I funnel you into a graduate group on Facebook so everybody can kind of share stories and support each other and get together and trade. And it's just a valuable experience. So you get your Reiki 1 certificate at the end as well. So there's so much to get at just coming to a one-day class, taking a trip, going to a different city, having a whole experience, right? So why would you want to do the whole thing online in one weekend? Why would you want to jam all your attunements? Convenience? If convenience is the answer, then you're not doing it for the right reason. You're not learning the modality for the right reason. That's my opinion. So if you're interested in coming to Asheville and learning Reiki in a one-day class, I highly encourage that you check out the website, touchofearthhealingarts.net/Reiki certification. And if you're a massage therapist, you get extra 7 CE credits, right? So there's so many bonuses, as well as you get to take home some gifts. So check it out and let me know if you have any questions about the class. Be well, stay blessed, and namaste.